If you've recently opened a MailerLite account and you want to make sure that your email settings are set up correctly, this is the video for you. My name is Bob Sparkins, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make sure that you have your sending domain set up correctly for using MailerLite. So inside of your dashboard of MailerLite, you're going to come into your domains area, and then you'll be in sending domains as well as sites. For the sending domains, you're setting up the ability to send out from MailerLite with something like your name at yourdomainname.com. You'll likely have no sending domains here at the beginning, so you'll click on Add Domain. Enter in the email address you want to use. For demonstrations, I have a domain called This Domain is Available. When you click on Save, you'll then be given a series of records to add to your domain registrar. I love to use Dynadot for my domains. Go to your domain that you have registered there or register a new domain. Scroll down to where you see the DNS settings and make a change to Dynadot DNS. Now, it may be the case that MailerLite recognizes Dynadot as a domain that's already partnered up with them, and so you'll just need to log in and confirm that you want these records set up. But assuming that you need to do this manually, let me show you the steps. So first, notice that MailerLite gives you a CNAME record, a text record, and another text record. So we're going to go through each one of those. So the first thing is going to be to come down to the subdomain records, click on Add a Record, and this is where you're going to put the LiteServe domain key. So you're going to hit click copy, and you're going to put that as the subdomain for this domain. Then you're going to go to the value, click copy, and come back over and put this as the destination. Once the subdomain record is in place, you can then click on Add Record for the domain record and select text. The text record is going to be for this text record here, and you don't need to copy the @ you simply need to copy this value. This is going to go here, click on Add Record again, select another text record, come back over to get the third option. Again, you can ignore the @ click back to Dynadot, click Paste, and then click on Save Settings. If you get an error, follow the instructions. I neglected to choose what the subdomain's record type was. That should be a CNAME record. Again, clicking on the CNAME record's value to copy it and then paste it in, and then you click on Save Settings. You'll get a success message on Dynadot, and then coming over to MailerLite, you're going to come down at the bottom and click on Check Records. As you can see, the message will tell you it can take up to 24 hours, so do be patient with this part, and you can move on to the rest of your account for now. Once you see this green tab that your domain is authenticated, you can then start sending emails from MailerLite using your own email address. I hope this makes your life much easier connecting MailerLite with your domain registrar, especially if you're using Dynadot. I'd love a quick comment if you found this helpful, and I look forward to teaching you again very soon. Bye for now.